Hello, teachers, parents, classmates, staff, strangers, and a squirrel that lives in that tree. So you might be wondering, what did he win the Oscar award for? Then you might be wondering, what's his dream? Well, ever since I was 4, more like 4 weeks ago, I wanted to be a doctor. Remember when you were 4, you played with those Dr. Baby toys when you would just check on somebody's heart? Just 6 years later, you learn about kidney transplants. My grandfather was a doctor and a dentist. It was hard for him, but he managed to keep trying. I wanted to ride a bike when I was 5, but I just kept falling down. Then I learned that if you can't do something now, you just can't do it yet. How do you think Albert Einstein figured out the equation E equals mc squared? How do you think Thomas Edison invented the first light bulb? Thomas Edison even said that most of his experiments, which was 90%, had failed. How do you think Justin Bieber wrote his music? Do you think they ever gave up? Nope, they all kept trying, including me, until we achieved success, including you too. This year we learned about growth mindset and the power of grit, and that we should follow our dreams, no matter the mistakes and failures. Nelson Mandela once said, "Do not judge me by my successes. Judge me how many times I fell down and got back up again." Today we 5th graders rise, staring into the future as it awaits for us in our new middle school classrooms. I remember that exciting and nervous feeling I had when I first started kindergarten. Here we are 6 years later, and I still have that feeling with questions like, who will be in my class? Who will my teacher be? Will she be nice? Will that cute girl be in my class? But the question you won't catch me asking is, am I ready? Superior Street Elementary class of 2016, let us be known as the future. Let us be known as a generation who will forever change this world into the place we all want it to be. I'd like to thank my parents, all of my teachers from all grades, and that squirrel. I'd also like to thank Google, Encyclopedia, and whoever invented copy and paste. My name is Ryan Dennis, and I am proud to be a graduated Superior Cougar. And please don't cry.